Good morning. Do you want to know why today's amazing? Because I have nothing on my schedule. And these days, that is very rare. School is starting next week. I am not okay with summer coming to an end. So to prepare, we are going to be doing something today that I have been putting off, which is to clean the mudroom and then to clean out the kids' closet. Welcome to said mudroom that needs the cleaning done. But more importantly, welcome to today's sponsor of this portion of the video, which is Rejuvenate brand. And let me tell you why this is so exciting for me. Here in the mudroom is where I see most of the dirt that comes from the outside in. Naturally, right? When coming in the house, people either take their shoes off out here, or sometimes they come in and take their shoes off in here. The only problem with that is our driveway is made of schlag, and that gets stuck on the bottom of everyone's shoes, which means little tiny bits of it get all over the floor, creating all sorts of scratches. So today we are going to give the floors the loving that they deserve, a glow up, if you will. And we're gonna do it with Rejuvenate's All Floor Restorer because it's made to fill in all those scratches. First things first, we need to get everything out of this room. We need to get everything picked up, everything put away in its home where it belongs. To prepare the floors, I want to do a really good job vacuuming before I apply the restorer. And for today, I want to mop this area by hand, but you just clean it and mop it however you like to. Another reason I chose to use this specific product is because you can use it on all different types of floors, including hardwood, which I have. Like most projects, the prep work takes the most time. This is actually the easiest step. The floors are clean and dry, and now I'm going to pour the restorer directly onto the floor. Like that. And then using a microfiber cloth, I'm going to evenly distribute this all over the floor. This is going to fill in those scratches, seal, and protect the floors. I do have Lady and 4 kids running around here, so don't worry, it is safe to use around pets and kids. The shine that it is already giving is so gorgeous. I am so excited to do the rest of the house. I'm so excited with how this looks. I purposefully stopped right here in the room, not thinking you were going to be able to see that big of a difference. Please tell me you can see that. Look how shiny and clean this side is, and then it's just dull. I think this side by side speaks for itself. I'm gonna wait an hour before I walk on the floors, and then I'll give it 24 hours before I put my rug back. I'm going to put a link for this product in the description because I cannot picture someone not needing a refresh on their floors. Thank you again to Rejuvenate brand for sponsoring this portion of the video and helping me do a mudroom refresh before school starts. Now while I wait for this, let's go clean the boys' closets. Welcome to the kids' closet. This is a project that I love doing, but that I also dread doing. I dread it because it's just like chaotic, but I also dread it because it means they're going back to school, and I am not ready for the kids to go back to school. Did I say that already? Yeah, because I mean it. All right, Lincoln, first things first. Go get a washcloth, and I'm going to have you wipe your door and door jamb and floorboards, okay?
What's a door jamb?
This right here. To see all this stuff right here? Okay, go get a washcloth and let's wipe this whole thing down. Now, I know that this closet is not too bad because every single morning before the kids are allowed to do anything, I don't care what time they wake up. It can be 7 in the morning, it can be noon, it can be 2 in the afternoon. I do not care when the kids wake up, but when they do, they have to make their bed, pick up their bedroom and bathroom, and that includes the closet, and then brush their teeth. So it's really not too bad. And the only person that really still needs my help is Lincoln. And poor Lincoln has so many people's hand-me-downs that I think he's a little, there's just a lot of clothes here and I don't think he wears half of them. These are all of Boston's clothes. He does not have very many things that fit him. He has gone through such a growth spurt that he is wearing all of Joel's shirts. He's wearing Joel's shoes. He is, and they wear the same size as shoe now, just about. He's a half size smaller. So
that's all his clothes.
He's only about a half a shoe size behind Joel. So we've got to get him some new clothes. In order to know what Lincoln needs for school, we've got to go through and see what fits and does not fit. Go put this where all the swimsuits go in.
This is garbage because it's tiny.
Because there's holes in it, yes, we'll put that in the garbage pile. Go put this where the swimsuits go and then run back. I know this doesn't fit him anymore, but we'll just hang this up and keep it forever. This is a size 8. It's still in good shape, so we'll put in the donate pile. And now see, with hand-me-downs, he ends up with 2 shirts because Cody and Boston wore the same size for so long. This is a medium. It's not going to fit you. We'll put that in the donate pile. This is a size large. You'll be able to wear this at Christmas time. Your button-ups we're going to hang up, okay, Lincoln? Mm-hmm. We're coming into colder weather, so like these slicky outfits, are they in good enough shape to wear to school? You love them? Okay, he loves these.
Yeah, I'm wearing one right now. They're so fun.
They're so fun. Okay, well, I was thinking maybe we were going to get rid of them. When you fold your clothes, fold them together and put them together in your closet so you can see that you've got that.
Yeah, like all this is like pairs.
Okay, oh, got it. This swimsuit, I'm only going to let you keep one. This one has seen its day, so put that in the garbage. I'm just going to pull this pile onto the floor and set in the pile that we agreed to keep. Okay, we're going to do this kind of rapid fire. Do you still wear this shirt?
Yes.
Does it still fit you?
Yes.
Let's put this in the washing machine, and if that doesn't come out, we'll throw it away. Okay. Do these still fit you?
Yes.
They're very cute.
I love them.
Do these pants still fit you? What pants are these? 10? These are so cute. You have got to start wearing these.
Well, it's because it's summer and it's hot.
Yeah, I know. Okay, all of your sports stuff has to go up in the mudroom. So, all of this stuff can go in the mudroom, okay?
Okay.
Okay, run up and take it to the mudroom.
Okay.
You can reach your drawer. These are size 12s. I'm assuming the boys gave these to you.
Yes. I think so. I'm gonna keep this hat down here.
I'll put your pants on top. Little baseball jersey. Okay, these I know do not fit him anymore and they have holes all over them. These were hand-me-downs, but he will wear them because he likes them. This shirt has holes all over it. This is a shirt that Joel bought that was too small for him. Went in the dryer. It looks terrible. I'm not keeping that. Don't know why it's in here. Lincoln does have a new sweat outfit already. Let's see if this one, if there's still, oh yeah. A kid came up to him in school and said, with a magic marker, and just poked his shirt. This thing, okay, this thing is scary. Plus he has Boston's hand-me-down sweat outfit that is still in really good condition. Would you expect anything less? You have 2 jerseys. You can keep one. I think that one's bigger.
Well, whichever one has a 3 on it is bigger.
Yep. Whose shirt is this?
Porter's.
This is Porter's?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I need to send that to him.
Yes.
How come you didn't tell me?
I didn't know about that thing.
Okay, so if you have the shirt to this, we'll keep it.
I do. I do.
Okay, more shorts. Let's go put this in Cody's room because these will probably fit Cody. Go put that on his desk.
What size is it?
10, 12. Do you know what size of pants fit you?
No. So could I try?
Go try those on.
Yeah.
Yes, that's a great idea. Another pair of black pants. See, it's like I know the thing with Lincoln, he will not wear. He just chooses 1 or 2 things and he just wears that and that's it. So to have more than 1 pair of black pants. Oh. Okay, those are way too small. Okay, go take those off. These are a size 12. I bet these would fit Cody. Did Cody give you these black pants? These black ones?
Yes, I think so. Let me try them on.
I know they'll fit you. See, now you have three. Wait a minute. Yeah, you have 3 pair of black pants. The hand-me-downs get overwhelming because I don't want to get rid of something that can be used.
I know.
But I also know Lincoln isn't going to really use them. Do you like this shirt or will you wear it?
Yes, I wear it.
All your shirts are on that stack.
Okay.
Yeah.
No.
You don't like these?
Yeah, I hate those. They're just pokey and don't fit me.
Do these have shorts that go with them? Okay, so I actually like that you like these still, these sets. Because they're so easy. You just don't even have to think about an outfit.
They're neon, so you see them. Boston used to have a green. I don't know where he put that one.
Okay, run upstairs and get a
Big black garbage sack.
How did you know?
I use them too much.
Now that I can clearly see what Lincoln has, here's what I'll typically do. He has a couple long sleeves. He has a couple of shorts, a couple of shorts and t-shirt sets. He has a couple of pair of pants. These are his t-shirts. And I feel like he needs like a nice t-shirt and a pair of jeans because these are hand-me-downs that do not fit him yet. So on a list, I'm going to write down exactly what Lincoln needs. So when I go into town, I'll only buy what he needs and not duplicate something that he has several things of. I just made those notes in my notes section. So when I go in shopping, I don't forget and I don't get confused because that always happens. And I took note of the colors that he has. So Lincoln needs a new pair of shoes and all of his stuff is black and blue. And so I want to get him a pair of black and blue tennis shoes or something like that. I'm feeling good about this. I feel really good about this. We went through his shelves. We went through his things. There was a lot of odds and ends, a lot of little pieces of garbage, and now it's just the things that he loves, and we're in better shape.
Oh, yeah.
Who made this?
Huh? Oh, Boston did. I'm so pale.
Why are you pale right now?
I don't know.
You're usually so tan.
Maybe the red takes it out.
Well, we're going to call it a vlog for today. Now I need to go actual back to school shopping. So stay tuned for that. And remember at the beginning of the vlog, or the beginning of the summer, when I said that we were going to get shelves in the kids' room, we still haven't done that. And so we still have just kind of stuff all over, which, I mean, no, this is cleaned up. This is me cleaning up. But I really would like to get all of their things up on shelves. One thing at a time, right? Thank you guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to check the links in the description and we'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm sorry, is this an actual hairball? Lady, I blame you. Okay, if this isn't your sign to clean underneath your rugs. Come on. Here we go.